What's up guys, Jam is here. So if you're planning to buy this Boya BY-MM1 mic, or if you're finding best mic for vlogging or best mic for YouTube videos under budget, this video can help you, because I have been using this microphone for 1 week now and testing it in different environments. So now I can give some basic idea about it, whether you should buy this thing or shouldn't buy this thing according to your shooting conditions. And in this video I'll also show you how you can record professionally to get maximum audio quality with this mic. So keep watching the video, and if you find this video helpful for you, hit the like button and a sub will be really amazing. So starting with traditional way, in the box you will get the mic itself with the windshield pre-attached and a shock mount for the mic, two different cables for camera and a smartphone, and a bag. So this is all about the accessories you are getting in the box. Now let's talk about the build quality. This shock mount built with plastic but feels very solid and it holds the mic very tightly. Here one thing I should mention, that put the mic safely on the shock mount, because it is very tight and it is made with hard plastic, so it can get break. So handle it carefully. And you can also use this thing on any cold shoe mount or on any tripod mount. So it make the mic very versatile, because in various way you can use this thing, which makes the process easier for different shooting conditions. And this TRS to TRS cable is for camera. It will support with any camera which support external mic input. And this TRS to TRRS is for mobile. This TRS type will go in the mic, and this TRRS end is for mobile. It is also mentioned here, which is really good to have. You can easily recognize which end for what device. That's really good. And now talking about mic's build quality, it feels really solid in hand and it built with metal. Overall build quality is really good. But this windshield quality is not that good. Its hairy things are falling out and you can easily peel off them. I think you shouldn't touch this much, otherwise you can get rid of all of its hair. So don't play with it. So now let's talk about the main point, audio quality, or you can say sound quality. So this entire video is recorded with this mic and it is connected with my Canon 200D, and the mic is approximately 6 to 7 inch away from me, and this audio is also edited. So now let's play with edit and without edit version. What's up guys, Jam is here. So if you're planning to buy this Boya BY-MM1 mic, or if you finding best mic for vlogging or best mic to make YouTube videos, this video can help you. What's up guys, Jam is here. So if you're planning to buy this Boya BY-MM1 mic, or if you finding best mic for vlogging or best mic to make YouTube videos, this video can help you. So as you can hear, this is the audio quality you will get from this mic on a pretty much controlled environment. Not exactly like that, because you can adjust mic sensitivity on the camera. I find that this is the sweet spot for me, because if I increase its sensitivity, it will show yellow or red marks, which means that your audio can get distorted. But this settings is suitable for me, for my vocals. For you it can be different. Just play with settings and do some testing. You will find which is best for you. And talking about how to edit audio in a professional way, I need to make a separated video for that, because that is a different topic, and if I include all of this in this video, it will become really long video. I think it has already become a long video. So if you want a video on how to edit audio or how to remove background noise, let me know in the comment section. So this is all about one type of recording condition. This mic is fully supported with mobile. I will also show some samples. So there are many possible ways you can use this mic, like in public places or in roads for vlogging purposes where lots of noise are there. So I try to record some samples in different environments. So let's play all of those one by one to get some reference about its audio quality. What's up guys, Jam is here. So if you enjoy this video, hit the like button and a sub will be really amazing. So thanks for watching, have a good day. What's up guys, Jam is here. So if you enjoy this video, hit the like button and a sub will be really amazing. So thanks for watching, have a good day. So after hearing all of those, let me know in the comment section what you think about its audio quality. So now according to me, it record really good quality sound. I already have Boya BY-M1 mic, which is a lavalier mic. So compared with that, this mic record better quality sound. And its sound signature is more soft, pleasing to ears compared to my BY-M1 lavalier mic. But you can compare these two mic in this way, because these two are completely different kind of mic and this is built for different purposes. So if you want a comparison video between these two, let me know in the comment section. I will try to make for you. And talking about pros and cons, according to the price, this mic record surprisingly good quality audio. But I don't like this wind filter. It feels really cheap because its hairy thing are coming out. So the last point, how to get maximum audio quality. So this is a shotgun mic, which is a directional mic, means that it will record only those sound where it is pointed out. So number one point, keep the mic as close as possible to the subject and try to point it out at the mouth to capture the main sound. And number two, try to reduce mic sensitivity. Follow the histogram in the camera. Try to keep the audio level in the green section to avoid audio distortion. But if you want to shoot like me, my camera is far from me and the provided cable is too short for this purpose, then you have to buy extension cable like this. I bought this from Amazon. It is the Amazon basic product. I'll give the link in the description so you can check that out. So the conclusion, should you buy this mic? If your budget is 2000 rupees and want to shoot vlog or this kind of videos, this is a really good mic under 2000 rupees. Link will be in the description. So this is pretty much all about this mic, and if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and a sub will be really amazing. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.